All right, so the first training system we're going to be looking at today is escalating density training. Now the purpose of this system is to work two opposing muscle groups, so two antagonist exercises. In this instance, we've got a dumbbell chest press and a dumbbell bent over row. The purpose of this system is to work for cumulative total number of reps that can be hit in a 15-minute time period. So we're looking for the client to work with a percentage 1 RM around a 10 rep max, okay? But they're only gonna work for 5 reps of each exercise, and they're gonna rest instinctively, and they're essentially gonna superset these exercises. Now, the trick with this system is, when the opposing muscle is resting, it actually allows that reciprocal innervation to allow you to work a little longer into the system, hence getting more volume of total work. Ultimately, we're looking for the biggest volume of reps that can be done within that 15-minute period. We're gonna have a look at that exercise being put into action right now. Okay, Colin, so the first exercise is gonna be a dumbbell press, working chest. So we're working at your 10 rep max, but you're gonna work 5 of those reps for me, okay? As soon as you've done them, just straight out into a dumbbell bent over row. Again, you'll then come straight back into the bench, okay? Back into your chest press exercise, and you will rest instinctively. Ultimately, we're looking for the total volume of reps you can get within that 15-minute time period, okay? Cool. Yeah, good. 2, nice. 3, well done. 4, good. Form's great, mate. 5, perfect. All right, lower under control, good man. All right, so we're straight up and straight into that row for me. Back nice and straight, perfect. Nice little squeeze at the top, lovely stuff. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, top effort, good man. All right, so as I talked about, that rest is going to be taken instinctively. Colin would ideally go straight back in now to his next 5 reps of the bench press exercise, which we're going to see that working again now, okay? So in we go. Good. 2, 3, good. 4, excellent. 1 more, mate. Yeah, top effort, really good, well done. All right. Okay, back in, mate, back into those next 5 for me. I feel there might be a little rest coming up. All right, here we go. And squeeze, 1, 2, 3, really good, mate, well done. 4, last one. And 5, perfect, good man. Okay, working back in. All right, Colin's just gonna take a little rest there. Obviously the purpose of it, he's got 15 minutes of total time here. So 1, 5, 15 minutes. He's looking for the total volume of reps. But over that period, that rest time is gonna increase. But remember guys, we're looking for absolute total volume. Enjoy. So we're now coming into the last minute of our escalating density training. Colin's actually pretty blown now, okay? So he's getting down to the last couple of reps, but again, he's still thinking about that overall total volume within that 15-minute period. So the last 60 seconds, Colin, let's see what we can get on this last superset of work. Good. Yeah, nice, well done. You get one more? Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Nice, great work. Good. 2 more, you want to go for them, yeah? Yeah, good. Big effort, drive, drive, drive. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Yes, nice, well done. Good. All right, mate, let's get those rows in. Last 5, big effort. And squeeze, 1, good. 2, go on, form's great, mate, really good. 3, last couple. 4, and 5, top work, and rest and recover, brilliant. All right, so that brings to the end of that 15-minute work from Colin there. As you can see, he's pretty worked out there. So give it a go, time yourself for 15 minutes, pick a couple of those exercises. Remember, working antagonist, so opposing muscle groups, front and back. Give it a go and see how you get on.